What's up, Badger Nation? Welcome to another edition of Fatboy Friday. So in this Friday's video, we're going to talk about 5 things I love about my 2005 CVO Fatboy. I've put over 100,000 miles on them, and these are the things that I love the most. Hi guys, I'm Sonny the Badger. If it's the first time you've been to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. And guys, if you love videos about motorcycles, events, fat boys, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. You can ring the bell icon. It'll notify you every time I upload a new video. And of course, leave me your comments, guys. I love to read them and of course respond to them. All right, so the first thing that I love about my 2005 CVO Fatboy is, just look at it. It's beautiful. It has all the signatures of a classic Fat Boy. It's got the Fat Boy wheels, it's got that great stance, and just a beautiful bike all around. Harley went above and beyond for this Fat Boy. All right, guys, the number 2 thing that I love about my CVO Fat Boy, you can't see it from here, but I'll zoom in on it here. It comes with a Screaming Eagle 103 motor. So back in 2005, they were putting 88s and everything, but the CVO actually came out with a motor size that was 2 sizes larger. So after the 88, Harley went to 96 and then they went to 103, but this bike has the 103 in it. So they made 3 different colors of this bike, the blue one, the silver one, which is right back there, and then the red one. And they made almost 4,000 of these bikes just in the different colors, but they only made 4,000 of these motors as well because it didn't go in any other bikes that year because it is the V103B, which is the balanced for the Softail. So a very unique motor combination. And that can also be a challenge when you're getting parts for your motor because I've had some motor work done on that silver one. And let's just say it was a challenge to get some of the parts for that particular motor. Number 3 thing I love about this bike is, see those pipes? Those pipes come from the factory. So you don't have to go out and change the pipes on this bike. It already comes loud and proud. And I just love the look and the sound of those pipes anyway. So Harley did an awesome job putting that together as well. Number 4, so I will give you a close-up on this, but the paint job on this CVO. As you can see, the frame is painted to match the bike, so it's red. You can tell that they dressed it up with a ton of chrome. But then the paint job itself, it's red and black, and then it also has brushed metal right there on the tank. It's also on the front fender and the rear fender. And to me, that's one of the best Harley paint jobs they've ever done. And I don't know why they don't do more stuff like that nowadays. I imagine the technology's got to be a lot better than it was 16 years ago. But seems like Harley's just kind of plain Jane and boring on their paint jobs anymore. Don't get me wrong, they make some beautiful bikes and beautiful paint jobs, but they're all pretty ordinary. And the thing I love about this is it's not. When I pull into a parking lot, there's just no other bikes like mine parked there. And I love that part about my Fatboy. And number 5, last but not least. So for me, I like to tour, and the silver bike back there has over 100,000 miles on it. This one's got about 30,000 miles on it. But the thing that I love the most about it is I can take the red one and make it look like the silver one in about 15 minutes. So that's putting a windshield on it, that's putting bags on it, that's putting a sissy bar on it with a luggage rack, and being ready to tour. So it is a very versatile bike. I could strip it down, take it to the bike show, and have a fighting chance to even win the bike show. Just plain straight from the factory. Or I can dress it up, I can hop on it, and I can travel cross country on it. It's just, like I said, a hugely versatile bike. It handles great. It rides great. It's not too heavy. It's not too light. It's just that perfect fit for me. And I'm sure some of you other Fatboy riders have chosen the Fatboy because it's a perfect fit for you. Anyway, guys, I'm making a pretty short video today. It is Christmas Eve. I'm going to spend some time with the family. There will not be a Fatboy Friday, New Year's Eve. I'm going to take that week off. So I will see you guys in the new year. But before I go, I wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Be safe, have fun, and remember, it's not about the destination. It's all about the ride. See ya.